Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy, your real estate resource in the Bay Area. So excited about this beautiful property we have here in Oakland Hills. You're gonna love this one. Imagine having the views of San Francisco Bay Area from your living room while you get to enjoy this beautiful, modern, and contemporary home. Let's take a tour. Thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, and if you have any questions, that's what I'm here for. Reach out to me anytime. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.